So Margarita Pop-Up is back with their yet another summer edit, all happening at Reflection Gallery. We have brands from Surat, Baroda, Bombay and Ahmedabad. So collection में क्या क्या है? Especially we have men's wear this time. We have jewelry, bags. Jewelry brand is from Baroda. We have bags, embroidered and of course summer wear. So under 3500 की range में भी है. So swipe left to check that out.
Hi, my brand name is Ritva Mehta.
Yeah.
We have garments made from handloom fabrics. This is a skirt cord set. We have small embroidery details. Tops. These are some cord sets in earthy tones.
Pretty.
This is also from the collection.
Right, and then we have menswear collection as well. Yes. So these are some
So
shirts.
these are some earthy tones.
Yeah, then we have jackets.
Then again for people who like bright colors.
Right. And the one he is wearing. This is brand label Mira. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
So we are back with our Manjini tops and shirts. These are our best seller shirts and tops.
Nice. Love that. So new pieces have been added.
Yes.
So check these out. These are dresses. All right.
We even have twinning options.
Winning options available.
Hi, so Twinkle this side from Amod Studio. This is our last exhibition and we have our ombre shirts. We have ombre shirt dresses. We have solid dresses. We have these type of solid dresses as well. And these we have color options and sizes available.
Hi. Hello. I'm from Surat. We have bring our crochet collection, something dress which I am wearing. We have a similar thing in shirt form also. She's also wearing the same thing in a cord set form. We have few of these pretty pieces, perfect for your summer attire. Have a look on these tunics.
So pretty.
Even we have some metal shirts with us in 2 different colors.
So this is brand name Cottonium and we have some cool dresses like what she is wearing. We also have some more collection and this is the color option. Yes. Then we have something in modal sleeveless with nice detailing on the neck. Some more shirts and all the pictures are attached so you get an experience ki kaise lagega. Then they have quad sets as well. Very. This is brand Mojo Estelo and they have everything under 3000. Yes, let's start with the collection. So we have cute shirts.
Embroidered mal. The detailing has been done with your on the
Yes.
sleeves.
Yes.
Then we have South cotton as well. Then this is a new piece which like completely handwork on it. Then we have a suede collection like a proper party wear. We have pure organic mal for the perfect weather for the summers.
Hi, my name is Paranchi. I am from Paranchi Patak Designs.
Yeah.
We have dresses, linen dresses.
Yes.
Something like this
Right.
in thread work. We have cord sets. We have mull kurta sets also.
Okay.
We have muslin silk festive summer cord sets.
So this is a beautiful brand for bags. This is Aizan by Aisha. Check out their handmade crochet, cross stitch bags. Hand embroidery. Then we have something like this again, hand embroidery ke saath.
We have something like this also for summers as well, box bags.
Nice box bags. These are also pretty.
These are boho bags.
Boho bags and we have clips also here. Small
Pouches and some gifting ponies as well.
So this is brand Gina's Couture and they are back with their summer collection. They are launching for the very first time here.
Yes.
This is linen
have
and jute
vacation
material.
wear.
Yes, very cute.
Jute linen, shorts and top,
Yeah.
shirt,
These are the shirts. Okay.
skirt के साथ, shorty and top, pure linen,
Yeah.
one piece,
Yes.
khadi cotton.
Hello.
Hi.
Your brand name?
Label Drashti X Viprama.
Yes.
And Vishal here. So we have worked on summer collection. So we have print and solid edition both. So as you can see, we have stripes, we have got small embroidered details on solid with running stitch all over, then bit of poppy colors, and we have embroidery with florals and moon motifs.
Cute.
And we have Jaipuri prints also.
My brand name is Tulip by Amita. Guys, we are from Baroda. This is our latest collection where it's very colorful and vibrant. And along with that, we've also got these statement piece here in beads. As you can see, we can also customize colors. Along with that, we also have our statement piece.
Bestsellers.
Yeah, they are our best sellers.
Check these out.
And we have some cute bracelets for your summers. Look at these. We have more color options.
This brand Medusa, and they have everything western wear under 2000. So we have some cool quad sets. Colors options मिल जाएंगे, sizes मिल जाएंगे. These are also some nice quads. ये भी quads हैं. Then they have shirts and really cool skirts option. इसमें भी light and dark denim दोनों है. Then we have pants and dresses. Hello.
Hi, this is Yesha from R&Y. Here we are at Reflection Gallery. We are displaying our brand. We have some great summer shirts. We have some summer tops.